Hi, I'm Nick Marra with CJS Electric 7.com. Today I'm here to show you how to install a power outlet. Things you're going to need are a duplex receptacle, a plate, and a voltage tester. And the tools you're going to need are a screwdriver, a straight slot screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of wire strippers. Here we have a blank plate with some electrical wiring behind it, I'm sure. Let's check it out. Take the blank plate off first. It looks like it's been pre-wired for an outlet that was never installed. As you can see, they've capped off the black wire, which is most commonly used as the hot. Take your wire strippers, strip the wires about 3/4 of an inch. Be very careful not to touch anything metal. Use your voltage tester to determine if there's any power, always from the bare wire to each individual wire, and then in between the wires. After we find the circuit breaker and turn it off, we check it again, make sure that there's no power. Again, bare to white, bare to black, and then black to white to make sure that there is no power. Now we can go ahead and put a hook in the wire so we can wrap it around the screw of the outlet. This is a duplex outlet. As you can see, the green and the white usually go on the same side. As you can see, there's a little guide there for the wire. We do not want the hook of the wire to go outside this guide like this because it will not make as good of connection as we like. I like to put it in, use the guide to bend it a little to make sure it's nice and tight. Take our screwdriver, tighten this green ground screw. This bare wire is the most important wire of the electrical system because it protects you if there's any short circuit. The white wire, same thing. We put it under the screw, make sure it's a nice tight fit, none of the wire is sticking out, and we tighten it clockwise so the wire itself will tighten. These screws that we don't use, I like to tighten them up so that there's no chance of anyone getting in there or it reaching out and touching anything. Same thing with the black. Again, clockwise, same rotation as the hook in the wire so that it tightens. If it grabs the screw, it will tighten and not loosen and push itself out from underneath the screw. It's a nice tight fit. Again, we take the other screw and we tighten it down just to make a good connection and so nothing's in the way of it. Bend the wire in such a way that we can get it back into the box. Tighten the 632 screws that hold the outlet in. Straighten the outlet as needed. Use our duplex receptacle plate cover. Cover it up. This hole's been cut a little too big. They do make a bigger plate if you want to cover it up. Sometimes you can just move the outlet over so the plate covers the hole. Tighten the plate, make sure it's level, and check the power. I'm Marra with CJS Electric 7, and that's how you install a power outlet.